What do you think? 30 degrees?
Yeah.
Kind of cold.
Fresh.
Yeah, it is really fresh. You ready, John?
As I'll ever be.
Yeah. So all the cows that we've been bringing are up this draw, up at our holding pen. We're gonna bring them down to the highway. We've got to go up the highway a couple miles, then go across country, and then down another county road for a ways. So it's about 15 miles today. They just put up this new fence, so this will be new. Usually we just take them along the tree line and they go up on the highway, but we'll have to go through this gate this year. But it is a chilly morning. We were not expecting this. It's like
about
27, 6 degrees.
Yeah. I was expecting 40 something.
I know. Seriously. That
nice looking fence. Your dad said he just finished a couple 3 weeks or so ago.
Yeah, they did. I think the state built it.
Yeah.
So it's kind of nice. Keep them off the highway a little more, a little better. Yeah, at least there's cows here. When we got here last year, there wasn't a single cow, was there? There were a couple.
There's a few. It was like 4 or 5 there, that's it.
Yeah. The rest had taken off. Yeah, seriously. Last year when we did this, we had a bunch of snow. If you guys can remember the video. We got up here to bring these cows out and they were all gone. They all took off. Went way back into the permit. Were spread out all over. Took us like 6 hours to get them all rounded back up and down here, and we didn't get all 15 miles trailed. We gotta sort out some of the neighbors quick. We got some reds of the neighbor on one side and some blacks of the neighbor on the other side that will get out. Come on, little reddy. Little red calf. Nice looking red calf. Come on. Come on. Let's go, girls. Come on. Come on, get moving. Got a long ways to go. We've learned our horses, they just love thistles. Everyone.
That's their favorite snack.
Everyone they can find. And we let them have a couple now and then. Maybe we shouldn't, but oh well.
Oh, well. Hey, hip.
Come on. Oh, but
I don't know if your dad, he was trying to chase him back. I don't know if they went through the fence in there or not.
they went along the fence?
Yeah, they
up.
went along.
Okay. That's a big jump, George.
Yeah, Carson, that got on this side up in the fence.
Okay. Sounds good. I'll go look. Calf who went along the fence. Just up here, he didn't go through the gate. We'll see if we can get him through. He's coming! Come on, calf. There he goes. That's it. What do you think, Boyd?
nice to have the sun out finally.
Yeah, seriously.
Warming things up.
Warms the nose up. They're moving at a good pace too.
I can feel my fingers now.
Yeah.
They might have taken the wrong turn, huh?
Yeah, they did. They tried to. Nice truck. Yeah. I don't think I'd mind hauling logs if I had to.
Not with that.
No.
Nice.
Look like we got any cripples in the bunch, so that's a good thing.
Hey, Dad. You want to look at Big D's leg, Dad? His foot. He got caught.
Get in some more air.
Yeah.
Probably better not ride him.
Perfect day for it, huh, John?
What's that?
Perfect day for it.
Perfect day.
Yeah.
70 degrees.
Man,
It's wonderful.
we'll be out here in shorts and t-shirts.
Yeah, well, coats will come off pretty soon.
Yeah, they're about to lose mine. little break, bud. Yeah, no doubt. Hey, come on. Nate, do you have any good cattle stories from South America?
Battle stories?
Cattle.
Oh, cattle stories. Yeah, we did a vaccination project with USDA and the Nicaragua Ministry of Agriculture.
Cool.
And we just go up in the mountains and help out the farmers who couldn't afford any vaccinations, help them do dewormers and stuff. But
really?
It was interesting because they didn't have really any fences or corrals.
Yeah.
So we would try to get them in somewhat of a confined area.
Yeah.
And then you just have to basically rope them and bulldog them.
Really?
To
Throw them to the
we didn't have
ground.
any chutes.
Oh,
We
shit.
could get them into a fence, but we didn't have any chutes or anything like that. So
Really?
that was kind of interesting.
A little different than how we do it.
A little bit different. Pretty physical.
Yeah. So they'd have their cows out on some big pastures? Or?
Yeah, and sometimes they would just hobble them and just turn
Oh.
them loose and just hobble them so they couldn't go too far and
Oh.
send their kids out to keep an eye on them once in a while.
Really?
Yep. But it wasn't usually big cattle producers. It was usually, small farms with 5 or 6 cows at a time.
Oh, okay.
So
Sure.
we didn't work with a lot of the big producers. They would have
They probably
more
had
access to
vaccinated.
vaccines and
Yeah.
equipment and shoots and stuff like that.
Sure. That's cool.
So yeah.
So did you do that?
It was a lot of fun.
Yeah. A couple of weeks, you
Bulldogging
guys?
calves on foot
Yeah.
instead of horseback.
That'd be pretty western.
Yeah.
Or I
And
guess
a lot
southern.
of times instead of a chute, you just have a tree in the middle of the pen,
Yeah.
and you get a rope around them and just wrap their head around that post.
Yeah.
And just hold them tight around that post, and you have to work them that way, get their shots on them and stuff before they kick you.
Wow. I'm glad we don't do it that way.
Makes for good stories.
It does, it does. So you guys were doing that a couple weeks? Or?
We were down there for about a week and a half, I think.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. Got to see some coffee plantations.
Yeah, that is cool. Hey, come on, cow. Work goats in Afghanistan?
Goats and sheep, yeah, same kind of a project, just trying to help out the locals.
Yeah.
And so we tell them to bring all your sheep down to kind of a central place in the village, and we do the same thing,
Really?
wrestle them down and give them their dewormers.
Huh. But that was all on foot or?
Yeah, on foot.
On foot?
Yeah.
Come on. Sure.
Every day they got to drive them out to the river. So they pretty much just let the kids do it.
The kids do it all.
Yeah.
How old do you think?
10, 12-year-old kids,
Really? Out in charge of a flock of sheep,
maybe 100, 150, some of them.
out in the mountains. Huh. So have to be some tough kids.
That's all you know. That's all you know.
Right, that's true. It's how you grow up that way. It's nothing crazy. Come on, Cap, get out of there. Get out of there. Got some lunch. And the newest member of the family, Josie.
Little Josie, her hat's falling off.
Sydney's newest daughter. What, 2 weeks old? Not even?
10 days.
10 days old?
11 days. Her first cattle drive.
Yeah,
She'd make a good sleep ranch mascot.
She would.
Sleeping the whole way.
she needs a sleep hat.
You get her a little beanie?
I should get her
You get
one.
her a sleep beanie?
That would be cute.
Over from Wisconsin. Hey there.
Yeah. Hi, Millie.
Person and grandpa
What'd you do? What do you got on your fingers?
digging in the dirt.
Oh, you're playing on the dirt?
Very
Mess with it on
concerned.
her face, so.
You got some on your
Good
face,
time.
too.
Yeah.
Took a good lick of a handful of dirt.
Yeah. Did you see the cows, Millie?
Did you see the horses?
What do the cows say?
Ready?
Woo. How are
You're
you,
gonna have to
Sid?
go for a horseback ride, aren't you?
Good. Yeah, you need to ride a horse.
Today.
I know, it's a great day.
It's a good day.
You gotta ride.
Could ride
I
Trump
would
if you
ride
want.
for a little while, but it would be very
very painful.
That's
It's a little fresh still. Yeah.
Then icky grass. Yeah. Get it out of your way, but I'm afraid I'd tumble on you.
Saw it all, Nate?
What's that?
Are you saw it all?
Want you bite?
Not really. I actually feel it more on my knees than I thought I would.
No.
Take a little bite?
To have that.
So was it backed up when you got back
We're
from the
gonna
hospital?
coffee anytime, but
The next night.
Okay.
Straight, but tend to red back. Yeah.
She's kind of scared of it.
Do you want me to open the gate up here? Do you want to get it?
Want to sit on my horse?
Give him one. Want to go for a little ride?
Or you want to ride Trump, Millie?
Trump might be kind of crazy.
Yeah, maybe not Trump. Well, we took a little lunch break. We're back at it. We're over halfway there, so probably 5 more miles. Come on, calf. Need more drink, bud? Grandpa's calling him up there. So last year when they all got out, this is where we got them to here, and it was getting dark, so we had to leave them here overnight. But this is usually where we have lunch, so that's how far we were behind, about 6 hours. So if you want to go back and check out that video, I don't remember what it's called, but about a year ago it would be in there. It's a snowy one. Come on, bud. You're good, you're good. You're good. It's okay. You got it. Oh, you're thirsty.
Come on, bud.
There's our top hand.
All right.
Millie, not Nate, but
Yeah, of course, Billy.
come on. Go on. Go back over there. Silly cows. Streets of gold. They are the best. I know. They're only cool because you're in them.
Kind of areas they also like to hang out.
Yeah, they would like this.
Yeah.
I think they eat these little, when they start to bud
Yeah.
in the spring, they really like these and eat them. Eat the little tiny buds.
Plus you got more grass in between the aspens and the pines. So.
Yeah, yeah, that's very true. Lots of cover.
Yep.
Come on. Come on, cows. Taking turns walking them through this thick stuff. Sometimes the cows can run off and just disappear into the trees. So I'm riding my dad's horse, Dirt. Look at that mud, Dirt. Oh, you need a drink too. Just about there at the end of this valley. We'll take them a quarter mile over a hill and dump them into some of our private ground, and then they'll stay there for a couple weeks till we round up the rest of ours. And then we'll come get them from there, trail them down home. Come on, bud. Get out of here, cows. Come on, cows. Good boy. Good boy. You're good. Come on. Come on. Hey, through the gate.
We have two more permits.
Well, it went pretty smooth. What'd you say, 9 hours? 18 miles?
Nine and a quarter hours roughly, but subtract 45 minutes off for our
Lunch break, yeah.
delicious lunch break.
Yeah. And 18 miles-ish?
Yeah, about 18 and a half.
Yeah. It's a long day.
Yeah.
It's a good day.
And how many more miles to back to the
We're thinking
trailer
we're
road?
headed generally
Another
towards
half a mile?
Yeah, probably. 19
Well, about 90 miles.
Yeah. That's pretty good. You happy to have it done, Mom?
It's always a good project to have done.
Yeah. Even though we're still missing a few.
Yeah. And the majority of them know they're where they're supposed to be. It's always a good feeling.
Yeah. Good job today, buddy. Well, we made it down out of the hills, got the cows moved and trailed. It feels really good to have that done. So they're gonna stay up on that private ground for a couple weeks. They're gonna make their way down a few miles closer to the edge of the hills. And then we'll ride up there, gather them again and trail them probably another 10 miles, 6 to 10 miles, kind of to their fall pasture down here around the ranch. So that'll be coming up later. We still gotta go get our other 2 groups of cows at the other 2 Forest Service permits, but yeah, it's going good. Also Big D, we took him to the vet and I don't think his cut was too big of a deal, but we can't ride him for 2 weeks. They said we shouldn't ride him for 2 weeks, which we're not going to. So we only got a few days of work out of him this year in Roundup, but so hopefully not riding him, he'll heal up and we'll be able to use him after that. But thank you guys for coming along. Really do appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next one.